If you're looking to scrape e-commerce data quickly and efficiently, Browse AI is a tool you absolutely need to know about. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Browse AI to scrape e-commerce data and why it's one of the easiest and most powerful tools for the job. Stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you how you can get started with Browse AI for free. Yes, completely free, using our exclusive bonuses. Browse AI is a no-code tool that allows anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to scrape data from websites. What's really exciting is how intuitive the platform is, especially for e-commerce data scraping. You can pull valuable insights like pricing, product descriptions, inventory, and even reviews, things you might need for competitive analysis, pricing strategies, or just keeping an eye on market trends. First, let's break down what makes Browse AI stand out. The software uses computer vision to interact with websites in a way that mimics human behavior. This means you don't have to worry about complex coding or having to build out a scraping algorithm yourself. You just point Browse AI at the website you want to scrape, and it takes care of the rest. To get started, all you need to do is create an account on Browse AI. Once you've logged in, you'll be guided through the setup process. It's simple. You pick the website you want to scrape and the specific data you're after. For example, if you're looking to track pricing across multiple e-commerce sites, Browse AI can help you pull that data without having to manually monitor each site. You can even set up automated scrapes to run at specific intervals, saving you time and effort. One of the key benefits of using Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic, JavaScript-heavy websites, which can often trip up traditional scraping methods. Whether it's an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, Browse AI can easily navigate through those complexities and extract the data you need. Browse AI's workflow is straightforward. After you set up your project, you'll use its point-and-click interface to teach the software what you want to scrape. The AI will process the page, and you can select the specific elements you want to track. You can even train the software to recognize similar elements across multiple pages or websites, streamlining your workflow. As a bonus, Browse AI also offers a unique feature called auto-scheduling. This allows you to automate scraping tasks at specified times, whether it's once a day, every week, or even on a custom schedule. This is crucial for businesses that need up-to-date data without the hassle of manually running scrapes. Once your data is scraped, Browse AI makes it easy to export it in various formats, like CSV or JSON, so you can analyze or integrate the data into your systems. Whether you're using it for reporting or feeding the data into another tool, Browse AI ensures you get the cleanest output possible. Now, here's where things get really good. If you want to get started with Browse AI, you can actually use the software for free. By clicking the first link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial, something you won't find anywhere else. No strings attached, just a chance for you to try out the software and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your e-commerce data scraping. So if you're new to the world of e-commerce data scraping, or just looking for a tool that saves you time and effort, Browse AI is the perfect choice. With its easy-to-use interface, automation features, and ability to scrape even the most complex websites, you'll be able to pull all the e-commerce data you need with ease. Don't forget, you can get started for free today by clicking that link below. Try it out, and you'll be scraping data like a pro in no time.